So good morning, everyone. I will now proceed and administer the oath of office in accordance with Section 31 of the County Government Act. Honorable Elijah Obebo, you now raise the Bible with your right hand and hold the Constitution. Just hold it. Just hold it on. Yeah. Then you will repeat the oath after me. You say I and say your name, and then read the oath as it is written.
I, Elijah Obebo, do swear that I shall always, truly, and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and I shall do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, or evil, and so help me God.